You got what I need?
Oh yeah, everything.
So what do you got in there?
Yeah, I got whatever you want in here.
This is what I got. What do you got? What do you got?
You want to see what I got?
Yeah, let's see what you got. Quality stuff.
It's definitely quality
Right?
stuff.
Right?
Huh,
Right.
Anyone of you want to taste?
You guys want some?
On the clock, sorry.
On a clock.
So you got everything that I want in there?
Count it.
So I don't think all my money's in there.
It's all there, count
No,
it.
it's not all there.
Count it. Get him, guys!
Alright, let's go. I told him not to.
Hit.
Get up now. Hey, don't shoot us, we're getting up. Hey, go find Blonde. We need him alive. Move up. That's it.
We have a guy in the gill.
Hit!
There's about 5 or 6 guys all the way at the other side of the hill. It's pretty far away from right here.
Do we know if we're getting that good spot?
There were some contacts up here on the right. I don't know if they're still up there though. Otter, what's going on? Last I checked, there's about 3 or 4 guys all the way at the other end. So we could probably take the low side of this hill and get up on them, but we're taking contacts from up here on the right. We don't know if it's friendly or not. Yeah, there's still a guy there. At the top of the hill, at the big tree. Yeah, there's still a guy there. Well, there may be 3 there again. What do you got up on the hill?
Keep coming right there, boss.
You got Kyle?
Hey, I need your sniper expertise.
You can hear people over here.
I know. Alright.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a big tree literally down the hill about 150 feet, okay?
Okay.
ACU guy. Alright.
What's over there? Because I think Kyle just got shot out from there.
We got one guy over here somewhere.
Alright. Hey, keep moving up! Keep moving up! We're holding this hill!
We need to take the top of the ridge line.
You guys, keep pushing up. Hey, we got
Okay, contact.
Alright. We got 2 guys over there, we got 1 guy over there. Anything? They're backing up. We need more people on the left. Flanking on
There's still one down there behind that half tree.
Alright.
Yep.
One of them's down!
That's a
They're
hit.
still down there!
Moving through the bushes. Right there. Here we go. You got him. Yeah, there's a lot of branches in there too.
Yeah, they're coming up. Is there another enemy on this tree? Coming up on the left.
Oh shit. Is that our guy? Hold on. Is that our guy? You can see him right there. You can see his little head popping up. Cook that motherfucker. There you go. That's money.
Oh, shit.
Are you serious?
Oh, he's out.
Oh, shit. There's like 4 or 5 down at the base of the hill at that same stump. I know. No, you hit my gun. It was alright.
I was just letting you know. I was like, that was There's some guys shooting down there. That guy right up there, is he still in? Right behind the tree right there?
Yeah, he's still in. Here. Hold on a sec, Kyle. Hold on. Let me get eyes on. Okay, right side. Okay, he's back. Okay, it looks like he's coming right side again. Hold. Your BBs are right on, Kyle. Watch him hit that tree. Just wait for him to pop out. Got one walking. Okay, it looks like right side. He went low. He went low. Bottom right of that stump.
Not this hill. We've got 2 down here and 4 down that way. Damn it, Poppy. You're clear all the way up here. Check. Oh, yeah, big structures over here in the double tree. Opening. Like 3 or 4.
There you go. There you go. Coming out. Left side. Left side. Left side. He's still at the left side of the tree. Go up a little, up a little. Okay, he's back, he's back.
Where were they at?
Okay. Okay, he's moving.
Oh, shit.
Okay, Kyle, he's poking his head out left side of the tree again. He's back. No. No, there's this branch right in front of this little loophole I'm looking through, and I think I'm hitting it.
Hey, can you guys give me some heavy fire real quick? I'm gonna knock this branch out. Go. Down.
There you go.
You get it? You got it now? BC.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, dude.
Watch my left.
Watch it left, watch it left. Scatter shot.
Oh, you're hit!
I saw that!
Oh, sorry, that was my bad. Not supposed to call other people's hits, but I watched it.
Your guy off to your left behind the tree, he's taking pot shots at us. You know where we are? Yeah, he can't hit. He's spraying. Directly there. Pop up over the top of it. It's not going to hit you. His things are spraying so far. Here they come.
See that guy move up? Look, another guy's moving up. Just keep looking on the left of that big tree and you'll see him. He'll come up into your sight. There's one more there too in that same spot. Yeah, I saw him move up.
Oh, yeah. I've seen him moving his ass. He's got a gray shirt on. Hey, man, I got the right side of the tree covered. Oh, hit!
I see your gun. Got him. Two guys at the base of the hill. Might be able to peek through here and get them. Cause I can't get up and over and shoulder down at them without sticking my head out. So, they're at the base of the tree. See if you can look through there. I was looking at the same spot earlier. You see the broken double stump? See it down there? To the right of that. I know. got a guy at that double tree. Can you see from there? There's that big fern berm in the way right there on that side, huh? Well, there's a guy right at that stump. You know the big tree to the left? He's right. He's right. Oh! Yeah, good shot. Right in the face.